Hello everyone, in today's videos we are going to solve this exponential equation. Here is a x power x is equal to 3 power 2 of x plus 27, and we have to find its root, means that we have to find the value of the x which satisfy this exponential equation. Now let us solve this. Before moving to the next step, we must know its identity, means that if a power n plus m, then we can write it as a power n times a power m. Now we use this identity on the right hand side of our above equation. On applying this identity, we can get x power x is equal to a power n, means that 3 power 2 of x time a power m is that 3 power 27. Now in the next step, on dividing both sides by 3 power 2 of x, we get x power x divided by 3 power 2 of x is equal to 3 power 2 of x times 3 power 27 divided by 3 power 2 of x. Now on the right hand side, 3 power 2 of x on the numerator as well as on the denominator. Now we can cancel out both of this 3 power 2 of x from numerator as well as from denominator, and we get here is only remaining x power x divided by 3 power 2 of x is equal to 3 power 27. Now in the next step, we know that a power n divided by b power n, then it is equal to a divided by b whole power n. Now we use this identity on the left hand side of our above equation. We can consider a is equal to x and b is equal to 3 power 2. Now it is equal to a divided by b, means that x divided by b, means that 3 power 2 and whole power n means here n is equal to x is equal to 3 power 27. Now it is equal to x divided by 3 power 2, it is equal to 9 whole power x is equal to 3 power 27. Now in the next step, we can take the power on both sides by 1 divided by 9. We get x divided by 9 whole power x and whole power 1 divided by 9. It is equal to 3 power 27 and whole power 1 divided by 9. Now we know that a power n bracket power m, it is equal to a power n times m. Now we use this identity on left hand side as well on right hand side. We get x divided by a and whole power x times 1 divided by a, it is equal to here is 9, it is equal to 3 power 27 times 1 divided by 9. Now it is equal to x divided by 9 and whole power x divided by 9, it is equal to 3 power and 9 times 3, it become 27, here remaining only 3 power 3. Now it is equal to x divided by 9 whole power x divided by 9, it is equal to 3 power 3. Now we can compare either base to base or power to power. On comparing base to base or power to power, we get x divided by 9, it is equal to 3, which implies on multiplication both sides by 9, we get 9 times x divided by 9, it is equal to 9 times 3, and now we can cancel out this 9 by this 9, which implies x is equal to 9 times 3, it become 27. Thus the required value of x, it is equal to 27. If you are new here, make sure that you have to subscribe our channel for more informative video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.